Okay, can we millions and billions will bless you this morning? Go so that you may reflect on these figures. Then give you what na Zion ahi favorable. As you go, why you could be anything about donations same in Zion, even in Kenda America. And I can document here of ma can follow here for record purposes. We can reference on it. So save this video. Now let us start with the word power. Ndebike, go. Ndị na-akpọ ike na Zion. That is ndị Zion USA. Ha nyere 4.5 billion biribiri. Then ndị USA Zion gallant men nye 2.3 million. Then ndị USA Zion Reverend Sisters nye 1 million. Then ndị UK Zion nye 402 million. Go 402 million. So when you put Nkende, USA, Zion, and the UK, we are already looking at 5 billion. Hey! Chineke! Hey! Cow BP. Let us continue. Then UK Zion, of course, Apogonia 402 million. Then Canada. The Canada would allow 73,313,000. With 312,000 worth of shares. Nde Italy with 66.5 million. Nde Enugu State, go Nwikukunando Otue, Habialu with over 50 luxurious buses. That is excluding Sienna and other small buses. Enugu State, Gurununo, Madafrozle Enugu. You know what I mean? You get the point. How with 65 million. Then Nde Boni State with 10 million. Nde Switzerland with 13 million. Nde Cyprus with 4 million with 28 shares. Nde Sokoto with 2.7 million with 100 shares. Nde Libya with 6 million, 3 trips of sand with 130 shares. Nde Gambia with 2 million with 20 shares. Nde Pakistan with 3.8 million. Nde Greece with 5 million. Nde Oyo State Zone with 8 million. Nde UAE, Dubai, United Arab Emirates with 6.5 million. Nde Netherlands with 7,725,090. Nde Liberia with 3,276,632. Nde Norway with 10 million. Nde Plateau Zone with 7.5 million. The Kogi State with 3.8 million. The South Africa with 34,257,000. The Togo with 8,137 shares. The Malaysia with 7.5 million. The Guinea Conakry with 700,000. The Gombe with 1.3 million with 25 shares. The Kano State with 4 million, 100 shares. The Borno State with 2 million. The Ghana with 20 million, 5 trips of sand and 130 shares. The Zimbabwe with 5 million, 150,000 with 7 shares. The Jigawa with 550,000 with 18 shares. The Niger State with 3 million. The Freetown Sierra Leone with 1.7 million. The Cambodia with 3 million. The Ondo State with 5.5 million. The River State with 27 million and 2.5 million worth of shares. Then the Osun State with 1.7 million. The Luxembourg with 3,521,000. The Global Medical Team admins with 10 million. The Japan with 15 million with 50 shares. The Mozambique with 18 million. The India zone with 7.2 million with 55 shares. The Senegal zone with 6,040,605. The Ekiti State with 3 million. The Cote d'Ivoire with 18 million. The Nasarawa with 1,569,000. The Gabon with 22 million with 60 shares. ndị Equatorial Guinea ịghọtago ndị Equatorial Guinea okay no ndị Congo rather wetara 6,247,000 with 300 shares ha wetara ego in cash. Then ndị Abuja wetara 25 million with 100 shares. Then ndị Turkey wetara 5.5 million. Ndị Philippines wetara 1.4 million. Ndị Kaduna wetara 1 million with 100 shares. Ndị Israel wetara 15 million. Ndị Cameroon wetara 35 million. Ndị Malawi wetara 5.5 million. Ndị Akwa Ibom wetara 5.9 million with 45 shares. Ndị Finland ndị otu Nwikuku ha wetara 3,751,000 and 751,000 ahụ dịka Nwikuku onye wetara ya. Ndị Edo steeti wetara 10 million. Ndị Qatar wetara 10 million. Ndị Benue steeti wetara 3 million with 155 shares. Ndị Cross River State wetara 7.2 million with 140 shares. Now, o nwekwara a lot of zones ndị enyebeghị their own Thanksgiving. Go now, ha enye Thanksgiving obviously because Evangelist Obi say na time anozi on our side. You know, money is not everything. O nwere onye ọya wụrụ ọsị ka anakọtacha ego ahụ o wee sị ka agbasa ka ndị mmadụ wee nwee ike naba. So everything will now be moved to Zion ground, Lagos State, which is we are looking at in the Sweden, the Imo State, the Abia State, the Ehimembano, the Obolo Ejiofor, the Egypt, the Poland, and a lot of others will give their Thanksgiving, obviously, on Sunday. You gotta go. And a lot of other people will give their Thanksgiving on Sunday. Now, what is the take home? You gotta go. If can you go so far here is a total of 64 Zion branches. You gotta go. 64 Zion branches. And a lot of people can. Now, what is the take home? You gotta go. Now this thing. Zion need the region government officials. You gotta go. People who wake up fast no. Turn was into a campaign ground to be able to get such amount of money. If our men are not in Zion, we have this Thanksgiving out of their own free will because now Zion will mad, Zion will be for. You gotta go. So build your own team. When you build your own team, you feel very easy. For now, I'm bragging ha Wadokwa na ha mmiri na next 100 days. By the commencement of the next 3 days crusade here end the 100 days fasting. Okwe the shelter dona Lagos ya go thank Ngor-Okpala. You gotta go. So it will be now permanent site aha akpori. You gotta all me bido asap. Share this video. Just document here. I just say can you record. No need either half. Can just make you so that you can document it. This is Ezugo.